Hello everyone, my name is Nagur. I'm studying in 8th class. Today our topic is 2025 లో month ఏ డేట్ అడిగినా చెప్పగలను.
May 21.
Wednesday.
Right answer. June 28.
Saturday.
Right answer.
My name is Lizzo. I'm studying in 6th class.
March 6.
Thursday.
Right answer. October 22.
Wednesday.
Right answer.
My name is Raghu. I'm studying 5th class.
December 31st.
Sunday.
Wrong answer. January 1st.
Wednesday.
February 2nd.
February.
Ready?
Sunday.
Right answer.
Saturday. I'm studying in 4th class.
April 6.
Sunday.
Right answer. November 1st.
Saturday.
Wrong answer.
Good morning, all. My name is Aleki. I'm studying 5th class.
December 2nd.
Tuesday.
Right answer. May 31st.
Monday.
Wrong answer.
My name is Lasya. I'm studying in 7th class.
February 23.
Sunday.
Right answer. December 1st.
Monday.
Right answer.
My name is Ajasri. I'm studying 7th class.
August 4.
Monday.
Right answer. June 1st.
Sunday.
Right answer.
My name is Pushpa. I'm studying in 7th class.
December 30.
Monday.
Wrong answer.
My name is Saujanya. I'm studying in 7th class.
December 25.
Thursday.
Right answer. October 20.
Monday.
Right answer.
Thank you.